Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. Here are 4 cards. Each card has a number on it. The 4 cards are arranged to make the number 5,763. Arrange the 4 cards to make the smallest possible number. So that means we start with the smallest integer first, which is 3, then 5, then 6, and then 7. Arrange the 4 cards to make the largest possible even number. So we start with the largest number, which is 7. And we're left with 5, 6, and 3. To make it even, the last digit has to be an even number, and that is 6. So we can simply put 6 here. Now that we're left with 5 and 3, we put the largest one first. So we have 5, and then we have 3. Arrange 2 cards to make a prime number. A prime number can only be divided by itself and 1. And here I can see we have 3 and we have 7. This cannot be divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It can only be divided by 37 and 1. Arrange 2 cards to make a multiple of 8. I can see we have 5, we have 6, and we know that 56 is a multiple of 8. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.